Hi children, welcome to Sanvi Naveen channel. So this is just annual examination portions of one school. From one school I got it from one student. Okay, so this is for grade 3. Okay, grade 3. Grade 4 also you can take. Okay, so let's start. First the revision will be complete the vowels. Complete the vowels 3 times. Okay, you have to write 3 times. I have just written 1 time. A, I, U, Ru. A, I, O, Au, Aha. So, vowels. What will say for vowels in Kannada, children? Swaragalu. Okay, we'll say Swaragalu. That one also you should know. Okay. Then here the second one we have complete the consonants. Consonants will call it as a Vyanjanagalu in Kannada. Vyanjanagalu. Okay. K, K, G, G, Nya. Ch, Ch, J, J, Nya. T, Th, D, Dh, N. T, Th, D, Dh, N. P, P, B, B, M. Y, R, L, V, Sh, Sh, S, H, L. Okay. So, turn the page. Okay. Then we have double consonants or combined consonants we'll call. Okay. In Kannada we'll call it as a Vattaksharagalu. Vattaksharagalu. In English we'll call it as a double consonants or you can call it as a combined consonants also. Okay. Look here. K, K, G, G, Nya. Ch, Ch, J, J, Nya. T, T, D, D, N. T, T, D, D, N. P, P, B, B, M. Y, R we have 2 children, like this also it will come and this one will call it as a Arkara R also. Okay. L, V, Sh, Sh, S, H, L. So, what you have to remember, no children, in this Vattaksharagalu, see the down, can you see? There is no Talekattu and all, right? There is no like sleeping line or standing line for this, right? And can you see some letters have the different, what we can say, the down letters, different down letters. Means example, can you see for the? The is like not like a the down only, right? The is have like this, right? The, na, ma, ya, ra, la. So these letters have the different down letters. Okay. So this one will call it as a Vattaksharagalu, double consonants or combined consonants. Okay. Next here we have vowel sign. Vowel sign. What will say? Gunitakshara or Kagunita. Gunitakshara or Kagunita. What do you mean by that? When we will write like K plus a K, like that. I have just took an example as a S. Okay. Sa Vyanjan plus a is equals to sa. Sa Vyanjan plus a is equals to sa. Sa Vyanjan plus e is equals to c. Sa Vyanjan plus e is equals to c. Sa Vyanjan plus u is equals to su. Sa Vyanjan plus u is equals to su. Sa Vyanjan plus ru is equals to sru. Sa Vyanjan plus a is equals to se. Sa Vyanjan plus a is equals to say. Survyanjan plus I is equals to sai. Survyanjan plus O is equals to so. Survyanjan plus O is equals to so. Survyanjan plus au is equals to sau. Survyanjan plus is equals to sam. Survyanjan plus aha is equals to saha. Next, here I just taken two letters, okay, because so many children will get confused in this jha, cha cha jha jha, that jha, and ya. It's very easy, children, don't get confused at all. See, what is the difference? In jha, for this circle, it will come tallikattu. For ya, for circle, it won't come tallikattu. For the next curve, it will come tallikattu. Okay, so see, this is jha. I have just taken one example, children. Jha, jha, ji, ji, ju, ju, jru, je, je, jai, jho, jho, jhau, jham, jaha. Then ya. Check the difference. You only take the screenshot and check the difference. What is the difference? Ya, ya, yi, yi, you, yuru, ye, yai, yo, yau, yam, yaha. Okay. Then like this only you have to write all the kagunita, which one they will ask. But you have to practice, children. Then only you will get perfect. You have to practice. Okay. Next here we have, you have to practice ka tula kagunita. Okay. That is, you have to practice. Which one, which letter is you are thinking it's very difficult, that one only you practice. Okay. Next, write the Kannada meanings. You have to write the Kannada meanings. Okay. Lamp. Lamp is nothing but deepa. Deepa. Blue, neeli. Edge, tudi. Drink, kudi. Far, dura. Nest, goodu. Animal, mruga. Milk, halu. New, hosa. I will read one more time. Read with me. Lamp, deepa. Blue, neeli. Edge, tudi. Drink, kudi. Far, dura. Nest, goodu. Animal, mruga. Milk, halu. New, hosa. Bush, pode. Bush, pode. Wall, gode. Wall, gode. Garden, tota. Garden, tota. Shop, angadi. Shop, angadi. Respect, gaurava. Respect, gaurava. Beautiful, anda. Beautiful, anda. Match the following. Okay, match the following. Here, maneya, and the answer is gode. Maneya, gode. Maneya means house, gode means wall. The house, wall. Okay. Bisi, I have written here 1D. Okay, 1 here and D here, like that. Okay, 1D, 1D. Bisi, dose. Okay, bisi, dose. Bisi means hot, dose means dosa. Okay. Mara, that's what I have written here, 2E. Mara, Mara, gida. Mara, gida. Mara means tree, gida means plant. Mara means tree, gida means plant. Maleya, Maleya, honey. Maleya, honey. Maleya means rain, honey means drop. Rain drop. Maleya means honey, Maleya means rain, honey means drop. Next, Marada Meju. Marada Meju. Marada means tree. Meju means table. Okay, the table, like how they will make table? Table will they will cut the trunk of a tree like that. Okay, Marada meju. Mara means tree, meju means table. Hakkiya goodu. Hakkiya goodu. Hakkiya means bird. Goodu means nest. A bird nest. See here, I have just written like this. Maneya gode, bisi dose, mara gida, maleya hani, marada meju, hakkiya goodu. Okay. Next, translate in English. Okay, next is translate in English. Vana phala. Vana means dry children, phala means fruit, dry fruits. Dry fruits means almond, cashew, those all comes under dry fruits, right? That one. Vana phala. Phalada rasa. Phala means fruit. Phala means fruit. You can see here. Phala means fruit. Phala means fruit. Rasa means juice. Fruit juice. Phalada rasa means fruit juice. Patha kali. Learn the lesson. Patha means lesson. Kali means learn. So together we have to say in English as learn the lesson. Patha kali. Neeru kudi. Neeru means water. Kudi means drink. Drink water. Okay, neeru means water. Kudi means drink. So drink water. Will not say water drink, right? In English, obviously the grammar will change. In Kannada, grammar will change. Okay, in all the languages it will be like that. Next, bega nade. Bega means fast. Nade means walk. Walk fast. Bega means fast. Nade means walk. Walk fast. Shalege hogu. Shale means school. Hogu means go. So go to school. Shale means school. This ge is to. Okay, this ge is to. Hogu means go. Okay, like that grammar. Gaurava kodu. Ga plus au. Children, ga plus au. Gaurava kodu. Gaurava means respect. Kodu means give. Give respect. Give respect. Then numbers in Kannada. Numbers in Kannada figures. So in Kannada we will call it as a Kannada Sankhye. Okay. Vandu. Yaradu. Vandu means 1. Yaradu means 2. Mooru means 3. Nalku means 4. Aidu means 5. Aru means 6. Elu means 7. Entu means 8. Ombattu means 9. Hattu means 10. Okay. I'll repeat once again this. Vandu 1. Eradu 2. Mooru 3. Nalku 4. Aidu 5. Aru 6. Elu 7. Entu 8. Ombattu 9. Hattu 10. Next, complete the sentence. Complete the sentence. Dose savi. Dose savi. Dose means dosa. Savi means taste. Taste the dosa. Taste the dosa. Dose means dosa. We'll have in the breakfast no dosha. Savi means taste. Dose savi. Kandana nudi. Kanda means baby. Nudi means talk. Okay. Kandana nudi. Whatever he will speak, no, that one will call it as a nudi. Kandana means baby or a child. Next, Neeli Gagana. Neeli Gagana. Neeli means blue. Gagana means sky. Neeli means blue. Gagana means sky. Neeti Patha. Neeti Patha. Neeti means moral stories. We'll get no that one. Patha means lesson. Neeti Patha. Moral stories we can tell or a moral lesson we can tell. Bisi halu. Bisi means hot. Halu means milk. Hot milk. Bisi halu. Huvina tota. Huvina tota. Huvina, hu means flower. Tota means garden. Flower garden. Huvina tota. Belaguva deepa. Belaguva deepa. Deepa means diya. Which one will put in front of God? No, that one. Diya. Deepa means diya. Belaguva means lightning up. Okay, the eye is lighting up. Okay, next Kamana Billu. Kamana Billu means what we can say, the rainbow. Okay, Kamana means rainbow means Billu. Okay, Kamana Billu is equals to rainbow. Next, change the gender. We know gender, right? Boy is equals to girl, right? Grandfather is equals to grandmother, like that. Okay, Anna, Akka. Anna means elder brother, Akka means elder sister. Okay, Anna, Akka, elder brother, elder sister. Tande, Tai. Tande means father, Tai means mother. Tande means father, Tai means mother. Amma, Appa. Amma means mother, Appa means father. Amma means mother, Appa means father. Here I just wrote it wrong. Okay, Amma means mother, children. Appa means father. Okay, Atte, Mava. Atte, Mava. Aunt, uncle. Aunt, uncle. Okay, next, write the opposites. Opposite in Kannada will called as Viruddha Pada. You have to learn Kannada also, children. Don't read only English. When subject is Kannada, try to read in Kannada also. Write the opposites. Viruddha Pada. Okay, Mele, Kelage. Mele, Kelage. Mele means up, Kelage means down. Up, down. Mele, Kelage. Olage, Horage. Olage, Horage. Olage means inside, Horage means outside. Olage, Horage. Sihi, Kahi. Sihi means sweet, Kahi means bitter. Sihi means sweet, Kahi means bitter. Sihi, Kahi. Belaku, Kattalu. Belaku, Kattalu. Belaku, light. Kattalu, dark. Belaku, light. Kattalu, Kattalu, dark. Modalu, Kone. Modalu, Kone. Modalu means first, Kone means last. Modalu means first, Kone means last. Kappu, Bili. Kappu, Bili. Pavatakshara, children. Kappu, black. Bili, white. Kappu, black. Bili, white. Chikkadu, Doddadu. Chikkadu means small. Doddadu means big. Chikkadu, Doddadu. Nagu, Alu. Nagu means laugh. Alu means cry. Nagu, Alu. Okay. Next we have spelling words with meanings. Okay. First one is Kada. Kada. Kada is equals to door. Jana. Jana. People. Mara. Tree. Nayana. Yana. Nayana. Eye. Chamacha. Spoon. Chamacha. Spoon. Pada. Word. Pada. Word. Kala, time. Kala, time. Bala, tail. Bala, tail. Mava, uncle. Mava, uncle. Pada, feet. Pada, feet. Dara, thread. Dara, thread. Kivi, ear. Kivi, ear. Sihi, sweet. Sihi, sweet. Nadi, river. Nadi, river. Kali, learn. Kali, learn. Okay. Then they have said one poem, right? Okay. That poem name is Navu Mattu Namma Shale. Navu means we, Mattu means and, Namma Shale, our school. Namma means our, Shale means school. Okay. I hope so you have this poem with you. Baby, baby, ಓದುವ ಶಾಲೆ ಇರಬೇಕಮ್ಮ ಹೇಗೆ. Baby means a baby, a child. Okay. Baby, baby, ಓದುವ ಶಾಲೆ ಇರಬೇಕಮ್ಮ ಹೇಗೆ. Hey baby, how your school should be. Where you are studying, how the school should be. Okay. ಅರಳಿನ ಹೂವಿನ ತೋಟದ ಹಾಗೆ. ಅರಳಿನ ಹೂವಿನ ತೋಟದ ಹಾಗೆ. So the school will be like a garden, like a blooming flowers. Aralina huvina, aralina means blooming. Huvina means flower. So where all the flowers are blooming, that garden, like that I want school. Okay, flowers means all the children. Okay, like that they are comparing. ಬೇಬಿ ಬೇಬಿ ಓದುವ ಶಾಲೆ ಇರಬೇಕಮ್ಮ ಹೇಗೆ, ಅರಳಿನ ಹೂವಿನ ತೋಟದ ಹಾಗೆ. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್. ಬೇಬಿ ಬೇಬಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಬರಹ ಇರಬೇಕಮ್ಮ ಹೇಗೆ, ಬೇಬಿ ಬೇಬಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಬರಹ. ಬರಹ means handwriting. How the children handwriting should be. Hey baby, how the children handwriting should be, like that. The mother is asking to the child. ಬೆಳಗುವ ದೀಪದ ಸಾಲಿನ ಹಾಗೆ, ಬೆಳಗುವ ದೀಪದ ಸಾಲಿನ ಹಾಗೆ. So how the diyas will lighten up, children? Correct, no? Salina. So in Deepavali you can see, right, in the line they will put all the diyas, no, like that it should be. It means what? The handwriting should be very neat and clean, like that. Okay, baby baby ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಬರಹ ಇರಬೇಕಮ್ಮ ಹೇಗೆ, ಬೆಳಗುವ ದೀಪದ ಸಾಲಿನ ಹಾಗೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್. ಬೇಬಿ ಬೇಬಿ ಶಾಲೆಯ ಚೀಲ ಇರಬೇಕಮ್ಮ ಹೇಗೆ, ಬೇಬಿ ಬೇಬಿ ಶಾಲೆಯ ಚೀಲ. ಶಾಲೆಯ ಚೀಲ means the school bag. How baby baby, how it should be. The school bag, how you want, how it should be, like that. ಬಣ್ಣದ ಕಾಮನ ಬಿಲ್ಲಿನ ಹಾಗೆ. ಬಣ್ಣದ means color. ಕಾಮನ ಬಿಲ್ಲು, the rainbow colors. How the colorful. All the books should be, if just think, all the books should be in your textbook. There's so many images, so many pictures will be there, so many different colors will be there. Then only you'll attract to the textbooks, right? If you just think your book will be the black and white, so no, you don't have that interest only to study. No, children, like that. So the kid is telling, I want that book, that shale, that bag should be like a colorful bag. Like that it should be. If your black bag will be colorful, then obviously you'll have, oh, my bag is like a Spider-Man bag or a Cinderella bag, like that. Okay, like that. Just I gave an example. Don't tell your parents I want Spider-Man bag only or I want Cinderella bag only. Okay. ಬೇಬಿ ಬೇಬಿ ಗ್ರಂಥಾಲಯವು ಇರಬೇಕಮ್ಮ ಹೇಗೆ. ಗ್ರಂಥಾಲಯ means library. In school you have library, right? So baby baby, how the library should be. ಗ್ರಂಥಾಲಯ means library. ಸಕ್ಕರೆ ಅಚ್ಚಿನ ಜೋಡಣೆ ಹಾಗೆ. ಸಕ್ಕರೆ ಅಚ್ಚಿನ ಜೋಡಣೆ ಹಾಗೆ. ಸಕ್ಕರೆ ಅಚ್ಚು means the sugar, what we can say, the granules will say, no, that one, like that. How the sugar will be like a joint, like that it should be. It won't get apart, right? Like that it should be. Like in all the books should be kept properly. It should be neat, clean, disciplined, like that it is. Okay, next. ಬೇಬಿ ಬೇಬಿ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ಟೀಚರ್ ಇರಬೇಕಮ್ಮ ಹೇಗೆ. ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ಟೀಚರ್. ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ means lovable, teacher means teacher. How your lovable teacher should be. ಮುದ್ದಿನ ಅಂಕಲ್ ಆಂಟಿ ಹಾಗೆ. So my teacher should be like my aunt and uncle, because children always like a more lovable for the aunt and uncle, right? That's why like that she is telling. ಬೇಬಿ ಬೇಬಿ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ಟೀಚರ್ ಇರಬೇಕಮ್ಮ ಹೇಗೆ, ಮುದ್ದಿನ ಅಂಕಲ್ ಆಂಟಿ ಹಾಗೆ. Okay, the most important part in poem, who has written the poem? That is H.S. Venkatesha Murthy. The poet name is H.S. Venkatesha Murthy. Okay, that's it, children. Please study hard. Okay, if you study hard, then only you'll succeed in your exams, right? Okay, don't think Kannada is a tough, or any subject is a tough. Okay, just if you'll do your hard work, obviously you will achieve something in your life. Correct, no, children? That's it. Bye bye, children. Take care.